A very good morning to all my dear students. Myself Patel Manisha welcomes you on behalf of Srimati R.A. Kalathia School Botad in this online teaching session. Today we are going to start in our English subject unit number 3 the next activity, that is activity number 2. So let us see. Okay, now look at here. This is the format of informal letter. Here the first comes, that is the sender's detail. In sender's detail, name and address will come. Second, that is date. After sender's detail, we are mentioning the date in the format like 2nd March 2020. After date, the third point is of salutation. Salutation means like dear mother, dear friend, bestie, etc. etc. After that, the next part, that is body. Body here means actual message. Whatever we are conveying the message, that comes under the body, or we can say contents. After that, the next part is of complement close. Complementary close means conclusion. Here what it consider? Your lovings, sincerely, faithfully, okay. And the last part is name and sign of senders. So here we will see an example of this informal letter. Now we will understand the informal letter by this flow chart. The first, here you can see sender's address like 3B Model Town, New Delhi 110088, India. Then after the second part will come, that is date. How to write the date? August 25, 2020. Whatever the date on which we are writing the letters. The third one comes, that is salutation. The third part. Salutation means dear mom, dear friend, dear dad, dear sister, whatever. After that, that is the fourth part, body of the letter. In this, introduction and main content will come. How to start or how to introduce the letter and what is the main part of the letter, or we can say the body or the content of the letter. What is the actual situation, actual reason why the letter is written. So here the fourth part is of body of the letter. After that, the next part, that is fifth part, that is concluding remark. Okay, like here it is given, update me about everything soon and please do not forget to visit the doctor for your routine checkup. This is the concluding remark. After then, sixth part, that is complimentary closure. How to close? That is your lovingly, your sincerely, your faithfully. All these are the complimentary closures. And the last one is very simple, the name and signature of the senders. So in this way we will, or we can say, we can write the informal letter. The informal letter is of this type. In this, mainly 7 to 8 parts are covered. Now we will go through the textbook. So open activity number 2 on the same page, that is page number 22. Here we are. Now here activity number 2, in this part A, the instruction is the present generation, especially the young, make more use of cell phones and computers. Therefore, writing letters to friends and relatives is gradually forgotten. Here, as we are connected with the latest technology, we are using more and more devices of technology, like the examples as given: cell phones, computers, and so on. So, we almost forgotten to write the letters to our friends and relatives. Here, two pen friends Bharat and Jamshed exchange letter describing how they celebrated their New Year day. Read and enjoy the following personal letter. See, today the latest, or we can say modern age is going on. We are dealing or we are working with the latest technology. That's why हम अभी एक दूसरे को लेटर लिखना बंद हो गए हैं for the converse with our friends or relative generally, or commonly we are using the cell phones. So here one example of informal letter is given to you, that how we can write the informal letter or how the informal letter is. What are the parts covered in the informal letter? Because why this is given? Because today we almost forgot to write the letters. So just to recall or to revise, this is given, this activity given to you. So here we will today learn how to write the informal letter with a very nice good example it's shown to you. So let's start this. The topic is festival, happy time together. There are almost 6 to 8 parts. We will learn by this diagram. I am showing you the flow chart. Right now we learn how to write the informal letter. Now look at activity number 2. Here in this there are two friends whose name are Bharat and Jamshed. Here in this letter the sender is of Jamshed. जो हमारा सेंडर्स है वो जमशेद है और जो रिसीवर है द रिसीवर इज भरत. Fine. Who is writing the letter over here? The letter is written by Jamshed. And who got the letter? Here Bharat got the letters that is already written by the Jamshed. Understood? Jamshed ने अपने फ्रेंड भरत को लेटर लिखा जो कि उसका पेन फ्रेंड. The meaning is person with whom one builds a friendship by exchanging letter. वो पर्सन जिसके साथ हमने फ्रेंडशिप की है और उसके साथ फ्रेंडशिप हम कैसे कनेक्ट करते हैं? बाय एक्सचेंजिंग द लेटर. लेटर के एक्सचेंजिंग के द्वारा हम उसके साथ अपनी फ्रेंडशिप को बिल्ड करते हैं. दैट इज नोन बाय द नेम पेन फ्रेंड, जो हमारा दूर का फ्रेंड है और जो लेटर द्वारा हमारे साथ कनेक्ट होता है. नाउ हियर 2.1. 2.1 मेंशन द एड्रेस. एड्रेस ऑफ द which one? To whom we are going to write the letter. जिसको हम लेटर लिख रहे हैं उसका एड्रेस यहाँ पर आएगा. Here Jamshed is writing a letter to the Bharat. So 2.1 is the address of the Bharat. ये जो 2.1 आप एड्रेस देख रहे हैं ये भरत का एड्रेस है, बिकॉज जो राइटर है दैट इज जमशेद. अगर जमशेद को अपने फ्रेंड भरत को लेटर लिखना है तो एड्रेस भी किसका आएगा? डेफिनेटली द एड्रेस विल कम ऑफ भरत. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द एड्रेस? 16 पारसी कॉलोनी, अलकापुरी रोड, बड़ौदा. दिस इज एड्रेस बिलोंग्स टू बड़ौदा. Next, second part will come. Date 15th of November 2007. The third part is of salutation, that is dear Bharat, because his friend is Bharat. Now the fourth part is main body. Now we will see the main content. Here, I have not heard from you a long time. Jamshed is saying we are not meeting from a long time. हम बहुत समय से मिले नहीं हैं. I hope you are fine. he is saying that I wish that you are fine at your place. 2 months back you had asked me how we celebrate our new year. Jamshed is saying to his friend Bharat that before 2 months you were asking to me that how we are celebrating our new year. But I was busy with my first test and also with Navroze or Patiti, our Parsi New Year celebration. Jamshed is saying to his friend Bharat that when you asked to me about our festival, at that time I was. Means Jamshed was very busy in preparing for his test or preparing for his festival, that is called Navroze or Patiti. Next line, we Parsis are a small community. Here Jamshed belongs to the Parsis community. We came from Iran and settled in Gujarat, but as he belongs to Parsis, he came from Iran and after that settled in Gujarat. ईरान से आने के बाद वो गुजरात में सेटल्ड हो गए और वो कौन सी कम्युनिटी के हैं? वो बिलोंग करते हैं पारसीज कम्युनिटी. वी वर्शिप फायर एंड आवर टेम्पल इज कॉल्ड अग्यारी. ओके, जमशेद इज सेइंग दैट वी वर्शिप्स फायर एंड आवर टेम्पल इज कॉल्ड एज अग्यारी. उनके टेम्पल को अग्यारी बोला जाता है और वो फायर की पूजा करते हैं. द अग्यारी दैट इज फायर टेम्पल. वी ऑफर सैंडलवुड स्टिक टू द, हियर द वर्ड इज sacred fire and recite prayer. What they are doing? They are offering the sandalwood stick to the God and they are reciting the prayers. वो सैंडलवुड की अगरबत्तियाँ जलाते हैं और साथ साथ में प्रेयर्स भी बोलते हैं. Men and children cover their heads with small caps and women cover their head with sari. This is a tradition over here that men and children are supposed to cover their heads with small caps. And what the women are doing? Women cover their head with simply by saris. We all greet and wish Sal Mubarak to each other. They are greeting and they are wishing each other on the new year, that is on Pateti, that is Sal Mubarak. They are using this word as we are using in our new year. Now the next is part 2.5. Below picture is given. In the picture it is shown that men's they covered their heads by caps and they are praying to the God. In the next one picture, see, they also believe in fire, that is they worship fire and their temple is called fire temple. In another word we can say, as we learned, that is Agyari. Fine, understood? Now come to point number 2.5. In the very next page, page number 23. Let's see. 2.5 is also the main part of the letter, that is body of the letter. 2.5 is on Pateti. Everyone wakes up early, gets ready and wear new clothes. Whatever we are having the festival, what we are doing generally, we are wakes or we are waking early in the morning and we get ready. After that, what we will do? We are wearing the new clothes on the occasion. In the same way, they are doing, they generally wakes up early, gets ready and wear new clothes on their new year, or we can say Pateti. We decorate our houses and steps at the entrance with chalks and colored powder in different shape, just like rangoli, and with flowers and garlands. Okay, what Jamshed is saying? Jamshed is saying that on this occasion, on this new year, commonly we are decorating our houses and we are making the rangoli, that is in different shapes and with flowers and garlands. They are using this theme in the rangoli. On this day, special dishes are prepared, okay, as in our or at our homes. On some special occasion, we are preparing some special dishes. Same way they are doing like that. Parsi's food is very delicious. We prepare rava from suji, milk and sugar and decorate a variety of dishes with fried almonds and raisins. Isn't it? The Jamshed is saying that the special dish is rava, that is made from suji, milk, sugar, and after that it is decorated with a variety of dishes with fried almonds and raisins, the type of food. After that, we visit each other's house and gives gift and food to poor Parsis families. What is the special activity they are doing on the same day? That they visit their friend's house or relative's house, or they are giving gifts to their friends or relatives, and they also provide the food to the poor families of Parsis. From an early age, we children learn the importance of sharing with others. Okay, he is saying that this is our culture, that is from the very early age they are sharing the importance of the festival or the occasion. This is their culture. Here Jamshed is explaining how they are celebrating their न्यू ईयर. वो अपना न्यू ईयर कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. ओके, स्पेशल आइटम बनाई जाती हैं जिसको कि बोला जाता है रवा, जो कि सूजी, मिल्क और शुगर से बनता है. उसके बाद उसको आलमंड, रेजिन्स, इस वैरायटी ऑफ फूड से उसको डेकोरेट किया जाता है. उसके बाद वो अपने रिलेटिव्स और फ्रेंड्स से मिलने जाते हैं. आपस में एक दूसरे को गिफ्ट देते हैं और वो एक स्पेशल एक्टिविटी भी उस दिन सेम डे दे आर परफॉर्मिंग दैट they are also giving or providing food to the poor families. Okay, at the very last line, men and women mix freely with each other. There are no discrimination belongs to men and women. Man और women में कोई भी discrimination means कोई भी प्रकार का भेदभाव नहीं होता है. वो सब मिल करके इस फेस्टिवल को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. Now the next part is 2.6. The 2.6, that is here the concluding remarks. Okay, इसमें लास्ट में concluding remarks दिया गया. What is the remarks over here? That is, I am interested to know how you celebrate your festival in Assam. Now see, here we come to know that Bharat belongs to which state? Yes, Bharat belongs to state of Assam. So that's why Jamshed is writing here that now he is eager to know how they are celebrating their festival in their state. I hope you will reply soon. और वो जमशेद भरत से कहता है कि मैं आशा करता हूँ तुम मुझे जल्दी रिप्लाई करोगे. Next is 2.7. 2.7 part. This part shows that complimentary closure. Complimentary closure here, your faithfully, your sincerely. Okay, in the textbook it is given with love. Now the very last 2.8. 2.8 is the name of the sender. Who is sender here? Who is writing the letter? Yes, Jamshed. So here Jamshed is the sender. So in this way we can write the letters to our friend, and this letter is of informal type. Now in the next one we will see the response given by the Bharat. Now see on the same page the another letter written by Bharat. To whom he wrote the letter? His friend Jamshed. Okay. Now Bharat is responding to the Jamshed. Now the address of Jamshed is 16 Biswas Society, Guwahati, Assam. The state is of Assam, the city is of Guwahati, and the address is of 16 Biswas Society. In this way we are mentioning the address. The next part, that is date, 10th of December 2007. 2.3 is salutation. Salutation here, dear Jamshed, his friend, Bharat's friend Jamshed. Now the 2.4 here starts the main content or body of the letter. Thank you for your letter. Here Bharat is saying that thanks for your letter that you wrote to me. भरत अपने फ्रेंड जमशेद से कह रहा है कि आपके लेटर्स के लिए थैंक्स. नेक्स्ट इज I was also busy with my school test. Bharat is saying that, dear Jamshed, I was also busy in my school test. I was very happy to read about your Navroze celebration. Bharat was too glad to know about the celebration that is celebrated by the Parsis. That festival is called Navroze, isn't it? जो भरत हैं वो बहुत ही खुश है ये जान कर के कि पारसीज लोग किस तरह से अपने न्यू ईयर को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. 2.5 You know Assam is a small state in the east of India. Here Bharat is saying that Assam is a very small state that lies in the east part of the India. Our biggest festival is Bihu. हमारा सबसे बड़ा festival Bihu है. This is our main festival, that is we are celebrating. There are 3 Bihus, that is Bohag Bihu, Magh Bihu and Katti Bihu, connected with spring, winter and autumn season respectively. Here Bharat is saying that Bihu are of 3 types, but Mohag Bihu is our major festival. Okay, जो 3 टाइप्स के फेस्टिवल हैं दैट बिलोंग्स टू द स्प्रिंग, विंटर एंड ऑटम सीजन. इनमें से जो मेन है द मेजर वन इज ऑफ बोहग बिहू. ये उनका मेन फेस्टिवल है. इट इज स्प्रिंग. दिस बिलोंग्स टू स्प्रिंग सीजन. न्यू ईयर एंड एग्रीकल्चर फेस्टिवल ऑल इन वन. ओके, इट इज स्प्रिंग, न्यू ईयर एंड एग्रीकल्चर फेस्टिवल ऑल इन वन. जो बोहग बिहू है वो इन तीनों से रिलेटेड है. स्प्रिंग भी है, स्प्रिंग सीजन भी है, न्यू ईयर भी है एंड एग्रीकल्चर फेस्टिवल भी होता है. Assam becomes rich and lush in springs. Trees and flowers bloom and their fragrance and birds' songs fill the air. Just as trees and flowers bloom in the spring season, the atmosphere looks very conducive. The atmosphere looks very nice. People also sing, dance, play games and enjoy themselves. In this season, as there are 3 activities at a time, because it is of spring, new year and agriculture time is there. So people generally used to sing, dance, play games and enjoy. That is why the Bohag Bihu is also called Rangoli Bihu, that is Bihu of merriment. It is called the Rangoli Bihu. The meaning of this is Bihu of merriment, means खुशी का माहौल होता है. Bohag is the first month of the Assamese calendar and the advent of God. ये इनका फर्स्ट मंथ होता है कैलेंडर का. We seek blessing from the elders. इस टाइम दे आर सर्चिंग इन ब्लेसिंग ऑफ द फ्रॉम द एल्डर्स. वो एल्डर्स की ब्लेसिंग को प्राप्त करते हैं. वी ऑल्सो गिव गिफ्ट्स टू ईच अदर, और एक दूसरे को गिफ्ट दे करके ये बोहग बिहू का फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ इज people play games like Kanijut, that is egg fighting, Dhup, that is ball game, and Ha, a form of Kabaddi. Bihu songs and dances are as special as Bihu food specialties like Chira, that is flattened rice, Pintha, that is rice cakes, and Laru, that is sweet balls. We worship Tulsi on this day. Here, Bharat is saying that they play games. There are types of games. The first one is Kanijoj, that is belongs to the egg fighting. Next one is he said that Dhup, that is ball game. एंड द थर्ड वन इज हाउ, अ फॉर्म ऑफ कबड्डी, जो कबड्डी के जैसा ही होता है. इस दिन वो लोग स्पेशल फूड भी प्रिपेयर करते हैं, सॉन्ग्स बिहू सॉन्ग्स भी गाए जाते हैं, साथ साथ में डांस भी किया जाता है. एंड द फूड दे आर प्रिपेयरिंग, इट सेज चीरा मेड फ्रॉम फ्लैटेंड राइस, देन पीथा राइट केक्स, वो पीथा यानी क्या होते हैं, राइस केक्स होते हैं. And laru, that is sweet ball, laddu, isn't it, known as laru. And on this day they worship the Tulsi. Next part is of here. Which part is there? Complementary, that is concluding part. Not complimentary, concluding part is there, concluding remarks. 2.6. We also enjoy this special festival as you enjoy Navroze. Bharat is saying that you are enjoying the festival Navroze and we are enjoying the festival, a very special festival, that is Bihu festival. Do come to Guwahati next year and celebrate Bihu with us. Here, Bharat is inviting to his friend Jamshed that do come in the city of Assam, in his native place in Assam, and requesting to celebrate Bihu with them. Please give my pranam to your parents. He is saying that, Bharat is saying that, please give my बेस्ट रिगार्ड और प्रणाम टू योर पेरेंट्स, मेरी तरफ से आपके पेरेंट्स को नमस्ते बोलना. लास्ट वन 2.7. दिस इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री पार्ट, दैट इज योर लविंग फ्रेंड. एंड द लास्ट वन इज सेंडर्स नेम और सिग्नेचर. सिग्नेचर it is here not given but name is mentioned, that is the letter written by the Bharat. So this is the kind of informal letter. With these two letters we almost learn how to write the informal letter. So we will try to write the letter to our pen friend. Okay. Now The B part of same activity is question and answer that I am going to provide later on. With this question and answer, I am also providing the keywords, or we can say the new words with their meaning. So write down in your notebook whenever you will get these. Again we will meet with the new activity, that is activity number 3.